In this Demo 53, we are presenting similar case as per Demo 52, but with GAA structures. Our task is to define inner and outer area of GAA from cross-section image. DL-based segmentation used in this case to define two identical measurements per 1 PR with different inclusion/exclusion areas. Here we can see inclusion/exclusion marks for outer separation. First and fifth marked for exclusion, rest for inclusion. Here we can see inclusion/exclusion marks for inner separation. All marks are marked for inclusion. Let's follow measurement routine. As you could see, we achieved stable separation for inner and outer areas extraction for measurement. Thank you for attention.